it's time to do more details, and now the paper is dry, so I'm going to use more water and add darker value to make it more beautiful. Okay, I just mix hookers, which is green, and sepia, which is dark brown. And actually you can have any kind of mixing color that helps you. Okay, I just look at the flower and do the negative painting. Okay, I decide to just put some leaves maybe right here, and then I can spread it out by wash the lines out like this, or sometimes I can just with water from spray bottle spread it out, and sometimes I just keep the dark shape as another leaf, or just some dots and lines to create some movement in our painting. Okay, let's change the direction. And now I mix it with this mixture with Will It Warm to make another kind of dark value. So I go like this, maybe here. Again, negative painting. And the same process that I told you before. Okay, push up. And yeah, here I can just with fingernail just scratch it like this. Or lift it with a clean and dry brush, which creates a light line. Okay, now I go for this part with a dark color, which is mixing Hooker's green and burnt umber with sepia, and I do negative painting again right here. For example, this part, I just do the leaf, small little leaf here, or I just do the shape of this side of the flower. And again, I just spread it out, or with water from spray bottle, I just do lines and some dots. Okay. Now I change my brush to round one, number 10. This one is number 10, but number 8 or 6, even 6 works well. I'm adding some detail, like some branches, and I told you they are kind of curved like this. And also some part of the leaf could be darker to make it dimensional. Just a touch would be enough. It's like shadow or some texture on the leaves. not working on all of them because some part of the painting should be in watery shapes. Okay, let's work on veins with a very watery color and using this kind of brush, which is liner, and this one is number 2, but you can use 0 or 1. It should be very thin, and as you see, it's very long, so it needs more water. I just go for veins. Okay, as you know, we need to follow the direction of the leaves, and also let's use darker color to see better. Okay, yep. That's it. Okay, Petunia has veins, a lot of veins, but you're not supposed to do all the veins here, but they are separated to the very tiny small veins at the top, and I'm not doing them very careful. I just put small lines around to show the imagination of the veins. They are not supposed to be the same size or the same shapes of the veins. Okay, the whatever we did here, we need to do like here too, with maybe a darker color, which is very tiny lines in different directions. As you see, it's like a calligraphy marks, kind of. Not too much, just a suggestion would be enough. And it's totally up to you. If you like them, you can do them more. Okay, now it's time to make this part a lot darker. Okay, this part, let's wet it again, and with alizarin I just go for some dark shapes. I want to make it dark to make it more dimensional. Okay, and also we need some veins that comes out from the center of the flower, and when it's still wet you can do it. I'm not working on this one too much because it's out of focal point, and just a few touches would be enough. Okay, that's it. You're going to, and let me show you how you can make a very quick bud, small bud right here. That's it. Okay, it's time to sign it.